Hey guys, Levi Diesel Performance here. Today what we've got is an F2 Gleaner Combine pump. This was at one of our customers' buildings, and these things caught on fire, so they sent us a ton of these pumps. They want us to go through them and check them all out. So this Gleaner pump had been at another shop and been quote-unquote rebuilt. So what I'm going to show you is the difference between what a professional shop does and what, someone else who does one of these that doesn't have a test stand. So some of the things we saw when we went through was they'd put a new kit in this thing, and they'd put new blades and liners, new regulating piston, new filter, which is all great. And so typically when someone goes through one of these and they're not a professional shop, that's all they do, is they put in those parts right there. And a lot of them don't even that regulating piston because it can adjust the transfer pump setting. So what we noticed, first off, it wasn't one of our pumps, and we knew because this tag looked like shit. So if you see a tag that doesn't look good, it wasn't done professionally. So the next thing we noticed is this lever here wasn't even on. And one of the big things, see if I can find the lobe, there it is. So this lobe right here, it's going to be hard to see in this camera, but it's pitted pretty bad. And when those lobes are pitted, what that's going to do is that's going to cause this tractor to be low on fuel, and it's going to cause it to miss. Now right now, it's just pitted, it's not worn down. So right now it wouldn't cause it to miss or to be low on fuel, but it's on a ticking time bomb basically. So they put this pump back together, and they knew it only lasts maybe a year, maybe two, before that goes bad. And they may not have even known it. So that's just something to watch out for. The next is this metering valve. And you can see it's kind of a shiny color right along this helix. That's wear. And that can cause the tractor to run away. And then this delivery valve as well. You can see wear up where my finger is right there and along the body. And those are parts we always replace. So just a quick little spiel about, what you get with what you pay for. Would this have ran? Yeah, it would have ran for a year or two, but it wouldn't have lasted for 20 years. And, that's the goal for every pump that we send out this door, is to be a quality product that'll last. And so that's just one of those things. I figured I'd show you one of the differences there, is in the parts we replace, but then also in how we put them together, and then how we calibrate them as well. So with that, that's all I got for this video. If you want to learn more about these Stanadyne Roadmaster pumps, I had another video showing how to tear one down and what we normally replace in them. So if you want to, check that video out. That's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe. I appreciate it.